What's up guys, it's Eli here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be diving into the why a 50mm lens is a perfect lens for any photographer. So if you're new at photography or just looking to expand your gear, this video is for you. So why the 50mm lens? Let's break down the top reasons. So reason number one is practically versatility. The 50mm lens is an incredible lens. It's very versatile, making it perfect for any variety type of shooting, whether you're doing portrait photography or even street photography, even all the way to landscape photography. This lens will not disappoint. Check out these shots I actually took with my 50mm lens. See how it captures the beautiful portraits with a natural perspective and stunning bokeh, thanks to its wide aperture. Reason number two, affordability. The 50mm lens compared to other lenses is a budget-friendly lens. So here you tend to find the 50mm lens comes with a very high quality imagery, and in all sorts of major brands like Canon, Nikon, or even Sony and other vintage lenses, you find you get good quality for your money invested into the lens, and without breaking the bank. This is an excellent choice of a lens for any beginner, or if you've been doing photography for a long time. I would really suggest you invest yourself in a 50mm lens. I have never ever regretted investing in a 50mm. You don't have to spend a fortune to get professional looking shots. 50mm lens offers a great value for its price. Reason number three, low light performance. The 50mm excels at low light performance. Why? It's because of its fast aperture of f1.8. The 50mm can be put in different scenarios like outdoor situations or even without flash photography. You will get beautiful images and it will not disappoint, trust me. Reason number four, the 50mm is a small and lightweight lens, making it easy to carry around whether you're going just on travel or even out the door to just capture whatever catches your eye as images, and it won't weigh you down. That's why it's called the Nifty 50, is because of its size. It's perfect for those who want to get on the go moments when you need to get reliable and convenient lens to capture the moment. Finally, reason number five, learning to see creativity. Using a prime lens like a 50mm helps you improve on your composition and skills. Without the ability to zoom in like that of a zoom lens, you learn or are forced to move around your environment and find the right spot to capture your image, which gives you or enhances the skill to have the eye for photography. That way you learn to actually produce images with the ability or the energy and effort put in just to understand how it's all done. It's a great way to challenge yourself and grow as a photographer. Whether you're just starting out photography or looking to add in a new lens to your collection, a 50mm will not disappoint. So there you have it. A 50mm lens is a great, fantastic choice of a lens. So if you're looking at versatility, affordability, low light performance, compact size, and even the ability to enhance your creativity by making it an essential piece of your gear, like for any photographer, this lens won't let you down. It's the best gateway to learning professional photography, even as a hobbyist, by learning to know how optics work. And I would very much suggest and advise you guys out there who are starting photography or have been thinking of moving out of your zoom lenses and whatever lens and gear you've been using professionally, try 50mm. You will not disappoint. You find the good hurdles that you face that will help teach you to learn to be a better photographer at the end of the day, which are benefits anyways. So if you found this video informative and you've learned something, please leave a thumbs up, comment subscribe to the channel, and that won't hurt. It's free. So I would actually suggest you also see some of my older videos where I talk about more equipment and gear with photography, and also just learning the skill of photography. And practically, yes, that's it for today. Catch you in the next one. Ciao.